Just want to say good morning, everybody, and welcome back. If you went to Bowling Green, and say what a fun time that event was. John, I didn't meet you, but thank you for putting it on. This is only the third one I've been to, but they've all been really good. They've all been getting better. Uh, I met a lot of people, talked to a lot of people. It was a very busy 3 days. There wasn't much downtime. And track did a fantastic job of getting the program in on Saturday. Overall, the weather wasn't bad, and it was good times, good people. Had a lot of fun with Baby Stroker, Brendan. Had a good time. Uh, we know we didn't want to blow up 2 years in a row, so we didn't blow up. We didn't set the world on fire either. But I can tell you what, everything on that car has been blueprinted. And myself as a tuner, I've never claimed to be a tuner as far as a horsepower tuner. So I'm still learning on that, and we're gonna try it again next year. And I think maybe next year I might drag one of my cars up there and not race, but just play. Um, it's a lot of fun, and it's I enjoy the knowledge and I enjoy learning it. So, but I'm back at the shop and back to reality, back to getting back to work. Thank you to everybody again. Um, it was a lot of fun. Thank you to the vendors. Got some really good swag from Turbo Stitches. She's awesome. We got some good stuff on the parts row for customers and stuff like that made it easy to find. It was a really good time. Thanks to Brad, Boo's crew, and got a lot of stuff from Brad. Thanks to Jack in Texas. Thank you, Jack, for all your help. You're invaluable. And thanks to everybody. And Bill Brooks, fantastic driving, brother. Uh, we thought you were going for it. We thought we were going to have two cars wrecked for a split second there. That was a great, excellent save. It was good seeing you, talking to you. I can sense it in the community, and I've certainly been a part of it. I can still feel some tension there, guys, and hate and arrogance. And I'm gonna tell you what, I was a little guilty of that when I first started, and I'm done with that. I don't want any parts of Harness Gate, Turbo Gate, Housewives to Turbo Buick. Don't want any part of that stuff. I just want to work with people who understand that when you make a mistake, you own it, and you do what's right to fix it. You don't tell somebody to go pound sand. I also don't want to work with somebody who thinks they're better than anybody, because none of us are better than anybody. And first one who hasn't been made a mistake needs to raise their hand. There won't be a single one of you. And first one who hasn't had a bad interaction with a customer, raise your hand too. And if you have not, you haven't been in business long enough. But what defines us as people is how we handle things when they go wrong. But if we could work together on that, that would help the community grow even stronger. There's still a lot of stuff like that, and I know it's not just a Buick community, but it's cars, it's people, it's society. But I'm not interested in it. So if you think you're better than me, I don't want to talk to you. If you think you got something against me, let's work it out. But the Buick community has got a bunch of new people in it, and the GS guys really did something that was really good for that guy who passed away. And I think they really set an example as far as fast with class goes. And that's on the Turbo 6 side we can follow suit. So, but thank you, everybody. Thank you for the fun times, the hospitality. Thank you to all my customers, the people who I talked to, the little guys who appreciate the stuff that I put out there. Thank you. No, it's not going to stop. I'll continue to do it. And been here almost 6 years. In about another month, it's been 6 years. I'm not planning on going anywhere. I'm planning on being back next year. So, have a great week.